You've got the latest devices. Fast internet, but your connection drops out during Zoom calls. Slows down when you need it most. And don't even mention trying to add a new printer or smart device. Sound familiar? Most people don't realize it's not the internet provider, it's their network setup. Bad cable management, the wrong router, no monitoring tools, and zero clue how to fix it. That's why we created Backbone of Computer Communication, a clear, practical guide to designing, setting up, and maintaining a network that actually works. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or running a business, your network is your foundation. Inside this guide, you'll learn 1. The basics of how networking really works. 2. How to choose the right hardware, wired or wireless. 3. Cable management tips for better performance and safety. 4. How to monitor, maintain, and repair your own network. 5. What tools to use to troubleshoot and optimize every connection. Stop guessing. Stop rebooting. Click the link below to grab your copy of Backbone of Computer Communication. Because when your network works, everything works.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share with friends.